central St. Louis County until 4 p.m. At 3:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over St. Charles, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.